Ryobi's brushless technology is designed to unlock the true potential of our cordless tools. These advanced electronics allow us to add intelligent features. With 4 power modes, you're able to tackle a wider range of applications. Mode 1 is for precision, ideal for smaller applications such as fitting hinges. Mode 2 is all about control, a balance of speed and power, great for driving mid-sized screws. Moving up to Mode 3 unleashes full power, allowing you to drill or drive large screws with ease. In Mode 4, we introduce Deck Drive, which has been optimized to make it easier to drive decking screws. A soft start helps the screw thread catch. Then it accelerates to full speed before slowing down again, giving you the control needed to get a clean, accurate finish every time. The impact driver is powered by some of the best batteries in the market. Ryobi's Lithium Plus batteries have the intelligence to think for themselves. Unique IntelliCell technology monitors each individual cell in the battery, which allows us to deliver optimum runtime in any application. In fact, you can drive up to 20% more screws than any other Ryobi impact driver. We believe we have created the most advanced impact driver in our industry. A compact tool with more control, innovative features, and up to 20% more power and runtime. And best of all, as part of the OnePlus system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this groundbreaking brushless impact driver will work with any OnePlus battery.